Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset the Roborock Qrevo Curv 2 flow. If you're interested in the flow, the link to it will be in the video description. First things first, make sure you grab a tiny tool like a sim removal tool, paper clip, or something fine that will be able to press the reset button. Also identify the top buttons on the unit as well. We'll pop off the cover. Here's the reset button. So we're going to press the reset button and the home button at the exact same time for a couple of seconds here. So we're lining up. Okay, we have both pressed. You'll notice that the light went off. I'm going to let go of the reset button. We're going to still hold down the home button. Now it's blinking, so I'm going to let go of the home button.
Restoring factory settings.
And we have the voice prompt saying restoring factory settings. It'll take 5 minutes. So that's it. Simple and straightforward. If you're not seeing this, make sure you have it done properly, but press and hold down the reset button and the home button at the same time. When you see that light start to blink, then let go of the home button. So press both, keep holding down the home button, and then once that starts blinking, you can let go and you'll hear that voice prompt. If you want to hold down the home button until you hear the voice prompt to be extra safe, that's fine too. But if you start to see that blinking power light, you're all set and ready to go. So basically it's working on resetting now, and it can take up to 5 minutes. All right, so about 2 minutes in, the light stopped blinking here. Now both lights are on again. You're all set and ready to go like new again, and it's time to reset everything back up.